Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're taking a super fascinating look at the biological and botanical science behind the ToxiTress system. Now, to really grasp this, I want you to think about treating a hair install, like braids or a weave, exactly the way you'd think about building a brand new house. Before you even look at the beautiful finishes or the structure itself, you absolutely must have a rock-solid, pristine foundation. And when it comes to your hair, that critical foundation is your scalp.
Okay, let's dive right into this with the core philosophy that drives everything ToxiTress does. Reset the scalp before the install. It's such a simple concept, but man, is it profoundly important. Think about it. You just can't build a beautiful, long-lasting house on a messy, unstable foundation. It's not going to work. If your scalp is covered in heavy residues, if it's unbalanced or already irritated, throwing a protective style over it is just going to amplify those problems. So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the scalp reset philosophy, move into deep detox and cleansing, then botanical soothing and hydration, followed by nourishment and barrier protection, and finally, wrap it up with the luxury sensory experience.
All right, Section 1, the scalp reset philosophy, building the foundation. Look, when you commit to a protective style, you are inherently putting your scalp under stress. A truly healthy install absolutely relies on precise, step-by-step preparation to avoid that trauma. I mean, we've probably all experienced the visceral nightmare of a wildly itchy protective style, right? Incessantly patting your weave like a drum or desperately scratching your braids because the scalp underneath just wasn't prepped. It is the worst, and it's exactly what this preparation aims to completely eliminate.
Moving on to Section 2, deep detox and cleansing, clearing the site. If we go back to our construction metaphor for a second, this is the physical process of clearing the site before we build. The brand's Extract Mineral Cleanse perfectly illustrates this teardown. Look at how systematically it attacks buildup. You've got bentonite clay coming in strong to absorb heavy oils and stubborn gunk. Then kaolin clay follows up with gentle cleansing support so it doesn't cause irritation. Sodium bicarbonate acts as the ultimate neutralizer, deeply purifying the environment. And finally, activated charcoal steps in to physically lift those really deep-seated impurities right out of the follicles. It's basically a highly strategic demolition crew for scalp buildup.
But here's the thing. Clearing buildup requires a formula that is consistently safe and fresh. The foundation of these formulas relies on pure, distilled water as a clean base, paired with a specialized preservative system of phenoxyethanol and ethyl hexylglycine. Now, why does this matter? Well, because microbial integrity is everything. When you're applying botanical-heavy formulas directly to an exposed scalp, you need to know for a fact that the product is just as safe and fresh on the absolute last spray as it was on the very first.
Now here's where the chemistry gets super interesting. You know the old saying that oil and water don't mix? Well, in cosmetic chemistry, they kind of have to. Polysorbate 20 is a functional ingredient used in products like their Quick Reset Scalp Spray. It's essentially the magic component that forces water-based ingredients and botanical oils to blend seamlessly together. This ensures you're getting a perfectly consistent formula with every single use.
Section 3, botanical soothing and hydration, leveling the ground.
Okay, so our site is cleared of debris, and now it's time to level and hydrate the ground. Let's walk through the chronological healing process found in the Restore Botanical Infusion and that Quick Reset Scalp Spray. Step 1 is all about neutralizing the pH using acetic acid, which is derived from apple cider vinegar powder. Step 2 is pushing that vital moisture back in with humectants like glycerin and getting immediate soothing from aloe vera juice. And Step 3 tackles any lingering irritation using chamomile, while green tea extract comes in to provide crucial antioxidant support. It's refreshing and protecting the scalp all at once.
I want to pause here for a quick Why This Matters check-in. Honestly, detoxing your scalp doesn't mean much if you just strip it completely dry, leaving it vulnerable and screaming for moisture. This is exactly why ToxiTress deliberately uses alcohol-free witch hazel. Traditional alcohol-based astringents have these incredibly harsh, severely drying effects on the skin. But alcohol-free witch hazel, it acts as a refreshing scalp cleanser that tones the skin gently without sacrificing an ounce of comfort.
All right, Section 4, nourishment and barrier protection, reinforcing the concrete. So we've got a cleared, leveled scalp that now needs to be fortified to withstand the tension of an upcoming install. We are essentially reinforcing the concrete here. So the crucial point is how incredibly targeted these nutrients are. This is the follicle recovery complex found in their edge repair pen. These are dense, rich oils designed specifically to target and recover the delicate areas of the hair that are under the most stress, like your edges. You've got pumpkin seed oil delivering essential, nourishing fatty acids directly to the scalp. Green coffee bean oil steps in to support rejuvenation and vitality. And castor oil, which is an absolute classic powerhouse, strengthens the hair and supports that much-needed recovery. You also see this deep nourishment in the PURIFY Oil Elixir, which utilizes argan oil and rosemary extract. The argan oil is just magnificent here. It softens and conditions the hair, giving it a beautiful silky texture and healthy shine. But rosemary extract, that's the secret weapon. It acts as a vital circulation catalyst. By actively encouraging blood flow directly to the scalp, it creates the absolute optimal environment for those follicles to thrive.
Finally, wrapping up the nourishment phase is vitamin E, also known as tocopherol. Think of this as the final weatherproofing sealant on our reinforced concrete foundation. It's a powerful antioxidant that provides a critical final layer of defense. It protects the scalp barrier from environmental stressors, making sure that this beautiful, balanced foundation you've just built stays resilient and healthy long-term, even while it's all wrapped up in a protective style.
And finally, Section 5, the luxury sensory experience, moving in. Let's move to and see how this all builds together. The foundation is poured, it's reinforced, and honestly, it's perfect. Now we get to the aesthetics, transitioning from all that rigorous clinical work into a completely sophisticated sensory profile. This is the brand's signature Botanical blend, featured heavily in the Velvet Clean Hair and Scalp Mist. It's composed of 4 perfectly balanced oils. You have orange oil, bringing a really bright, refreshing note. Lavender oil introduces a gorgeous, calming aroma. Vanilla oil rounds it out with a beautiful hint of sweetness and warmth. And to finish, sandalwood oil anchors the whole blend with a warm, true luxury scent profile. So while the biological chemistry and functional ingredients are incredibly rigorous, the ultimate goal here is a premium, professional experience. The ToxiTress system goes way beyond just cleaning. It ensures that this entire reset process actually feels like a high-end salon ritual. It leaves both the hair and the scalp feeling phenomenally fresh, balanced, and elegantly refined. We've covered the detox, the hydration, the barrier protection, and that amazing luxury finish. So I leave you with this. Knowing the intense science behind resetting the scalp, how will you prepare your scalp's foundation before your next salon visit? It completely changes how you look at a protective style, doesn't it? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer to uncover the science of a truly healthy scalp.